Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Tech Man. We wish you a great learning and it would be great if you all like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will talk about AMP, formerly known as Accelerated Mobile Pages. Adding AMP to your site is an extraordinary method to improve client experience for mobile guests. That being stated, there are a couple of things to mull over prior to settling on a choice to add it to your site. Ideally, this guide has revealed some insight into accelerated mobile pages and demonstrated you bit-by-bit guideline so you can undoubtedly add it to your WordPress website. Begin with AMP. As Google ramps up its effort to divulge its mobile-first list and page speed creeps toward turning into a mobile positioning component. It's perpetually urgent to exploit AMP before your mobile traffic endures a shot. By following the means above, you should have the option to rapidly and effectively empower AMP pages for your WordPress website. Okay, so that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified when we upload our next video. Thank you.